Hello. This is okay, so person is Column. Well, and he pushed me off his house. Hold on. We get a nice view of him. Yep, that's Column right there. Just flying up in the sky. There's Nyan Cat. Yep, and there we go. Column made this. He's a very good pixel artist. I have to agree that this is really cool. You know, I never even knew how to do a Nyan Cat, and it's just nice. So, yeah. But, I mean, Trump was the guy with the diamond armor, and Column is right up there building. There he is. Yep, right there. He just got done building the Nyan Cat. Yeah, and those are the senior builders. I'll just take to say hi. I know it's the stupidest thing I could type, probably. And there's Column, yeah. He's nice. Yeah, I call it a building. I don't know why. It's Nyan Cat. I get that made out of blocks. But yeah. Column. Yeah, this is what. Yeah, he made this. So yeah. Maybe I can get the link to his channel. I don't know. But subscribe and make sure, yeah, subscribe for more videos.